Right, just arrived in Hathersage. On we go. Walking along some back roads. That hill I just went up was a good start. We're on the trail now. Only been walking for about a mile, but again, I'm wiped out. I know better than this. I walk through this gate, I end up in the Derbyshire. Time to fight some goblins! As I went through that gate, they started ringing bells. I feel like I've gone to hell. And there's the goblins' bells of war. They know I'm here. And there she is. Stanage Edge. Over there. It's been quite a long time since I did the last hike. Been a month and a half or so. And dear God, my fitness has gone down the toilet. Oh. At least I think that's Stanage Edge. Where's that up there? Where's that, one of the tours? I will find out when we walk towards it. We'll walk that way or walk that way, won't we? But I don't think it's that one. I think it's that there, which makes the most sense to me. Look at things and go, that seems right, but I always align myself to the map. So I haven't got lost yet, he says. Basically the very beginning of his third hike of the series. But let's do it. What's that? Beetle over there. Man, I need to look at the map, see where I actually am. Oh, that rock formation over there. I went, oh, that looks like Beetle rocks that we did in Kinder Scout. But it is in fact Mother Cap. There's just lots of rock formations in the Peak District. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Look at the cows. That was Stanage Edge. I've only done 4-ish miles, so I'm going to add another loop on, because otherwise I feel like, well, 8-mile hike wouldn't be too bad, but I want to go see a bit more. The weather's insane for this time of the year in October, so I've got plenty of water and food with me. We'll do it. You can tell there's been a drought. It hasn't rained like at all recently, because all of these ferns are just dead, just crispy and just gone. Big old grindstone. Little grouse. Where are you going, buddy? I tripped and scared him on the side of the road because I've once again fully changed the route. It's keeping the same distance. It's being slightly more sketchy for right this quarter of a mile or what. It's a shop. You right there, mister? You stare me down. I'm going on a bear hunt. I'm going to catch a big one. Oh no! A forest. A deep, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go round it. Oh no! We'll have to go through it. There's some funky rock formations here. And there's a view of Lady Bar Reservoir. It's quite down from where it usually is, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Obviously the storm Amy over the last weekend sort of pulled it back up, but yeah, nice view nonetheless. Funky rocks. So I've just come off Banford Moor and looking to head back down in towards Hathersage. I'm still about 3.5 miles away from where I parked the car, so a bit of a walk, but we're just doing along the road, I think, for the main part, and then I'm gonna see if there's any sort of straight line across that I can get back off the road and onto some tracks, but we'll see. It's 20 to 4, the sun's still blaring, it's still very red. Right, off the road, onto the path, getting a real autumn experience. This is what I expected October to be like, not sweating my skin off. It's all very crunchy and autumnal. Big horse, little horse. Turn a bit. I'm getting tired. I just kept walking, so I had to turn around and come back, because otherwise I was going to be walking along the road for a bit long, and I didn't want to do that. So we're back in some fields. Sheep on the road, sheep on the road, there's sheep on the road. It is 4:34 p.m. I'm about a mile away from the car. So it's been a long day. Got here at about, I want to say 10:30, 11ish. So I think, yeah, I've done about 11.5, 12 miles. So it's been a long day, but good. Enjoyed it. Sun's beginning to chill out, getting some shade now. But I think I should be gone before it gets before we start losing light. Sheep on the road, ba 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 ba. Walking through some allotments, see what some people have planted. Like a lot of allotment. But the one near me's got like a waiting list of like 4, well, I'm over exaggerating, I think it's like 1.5 years. But I rent, so there's no real point put myself on the waiting list and getting it when I'm no longer there. Oh, proper wheat. I thought it was corn for a second, I got excited.